All right, so to set up your Android phone for international calling, there's a couple of steps you're going to want to do first. The very first thing I'd do is to check your carrier account, my Verizon, T-Mobile app, or whatever your carrier's app is, and go to Account Settings or Manage Lines and Add-ons, and make sure international dialing or international calling is toggled on. By default, most carriers automatically block outgoing international calls to protect users from accidental long-distance charges. So step 1, log into your carrier account and just confirm international calling is actually enabled. Then, when it's time to actually make an international call, you're going to need to use a country code. Go to the phone app, and if you press and hold the number 0 for a couple seconds, it turns into a plus symbol. After that, type in the country code. For the UK, for example, that'd be 44, followed by the phone number. If you don't know the country code, just Google search and it'll come up. If the local area code starts with a 0, you'd usually drop that 0. So if your friend's number starts with 050, you'd just type 50 and then the rest of the number. Then hit call, and that's it. Also, a lot of Android phones have an assisted dialing feature, which handles the country code for you automatically. On this phone, for example, I can go to the phone app, and while I'm on the home page, I can tap those 3 lines up here, go to Settings, and here I have Assisted Dialing. If this is turned on, it'll predict and add the correct country code automatically when you're traveling. There's even a setting here for your default home country. You can have it auto-detected or choose from a list manually. I believe there are some carriers that don't support this assisted dialing feature, and on some phones it might be called something like roaming assistance instead. One more thing worth keeping in mind. If your cellular plan charges high per-minute rates for direct international calls, it's always worth considering a Wi-Fi or data-based calling app instead, like WhatsApp, Signal, Telegram, Facebook Messenger. There's tons of options that allow you to do voice calls without having to pay hefty international call chargers. The only thing being used is data, so as long as you have data or Wi-Fi available, you'll essentially make calls for free. Anyways, that's international calling on Android. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all.